guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Pallavi, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing my bullet journal setup for the month December. Finally the year is ending and I'm so happy. Let's move on to the video. I hope so that you will like this video. So as usual, I started with a quote on the left hand side which says, "In the end, it doesn't even matter." This is from a song "In the End" by Linkin Park, and the line goes like, "I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter." I'm sorry, I just got carried away. Anyways, then I'm using the same 3.0 tip from the brand Art line in the color black to write December. Then I'm taking the 1.0 of the same brand to outline it. Since I wanted to make this spread the minimal way possible, I included the minimal amount of details as possible too. Then I'm using the grey shade of a brush pen to give the shadow effect, and it looks minimal, but still I think it is stylish. Then I move forward and drew the calendar on the side. A lot of feedback in my previous plan with me videos were that most of you want to journal or start with bullet journaling but doesn't have a lot of time to sit and look for ideas and make the actual spreads. So that gave me the idea of creating this spread. I started making it at 4:15 a.m. Yes, I woke up today early in the morning and I wasn't able to go back to sleep, so I thought of making it. I started making it at 4:15 a.m. in the morning and I finished it around 5:30 a.m. That too because of some mistakes that I did while making this spread, especially during the monthly log or the month in a glance spread. But as you can see, I quickly fixed the mistakes too, and in the camera it doesn't even look that I stuck or corrected something. For my mood tracker, I made an X and Y axis where X is my feelings from 1 to 10, where 10 is the happiest and obviously 1 is the saddest. And the Y axis is the time, that is the days. Super simple and easy. I completed the setup with making simple weekly spreads for my first week. And yeah, this is the flip through of my bullet journal for the month December.